Hello, welcome back to Talk to Me in Tagalog. In this lesson, you will learn 145 Filipino words with the syllable ga. All you have to do is listen and learn how they are pronounced. You may also try memorizing as many words as you possibly can. Pronunciation practice, words with ga. Abogado. Abogado, meaning lawyer. Aga. Aga, early. Agad. Agad, immediately. Agahan. Agahan, breakfast. Alaga. Alaga, pet. Alagad. Alagad, meaning disciple or follower. Baga. Baga, lung. Bagahe. Bagahe, baggage. Bagaman. Bagaman, though. Bagay. Bagay. This word has two meanings. One is object or thing, and the other one is suitable. Bagay. Banyaga. Banyaga, meaning foreigner. Batugan. Batugan, idle or lazy. Bigas. Bigas, uncooked rice. Bigat. Bigat, weight. Bigay. Bigay, give. Bulwagan. Bulwagan, meaning hall. Daga. Daga, rat. Dagat. Dagat, sea. Dagdagan. Dagdagan, to add. Dalaga. Dalaga, an unmarried woman. Dalampasigan. Dalampasigan, meaning seashore. Diligan. Diligan, to water the plant. Droga. Droga, drug. Gaan. Gaan, lightness. Gabi. Gabi, night. Gaas. Gaas, meaning gas. Gagamba. Gagamba, spider. Galante. Galante, generous. Galaw. Galaw, movement. Galawgaw. Galawgaw, restless. There are two ways to pronounce our next word. If you mean anger, it should be pronounced as galit. Galit, anger. But if you mean angry, it should be pronounced as galit. Galit. Next, gamit. Gamit, meaning personal things. Gamitin. Gamitin, to use. Gamot. Gamot, medicine. Gamu-gamo. Gamu-gamo, moth. Gamutin. Gamutin, meaning to cure. Ganado. Ganado, enthusiastic. Ganap. Ganap, completely or fully. Gansa. Gansa, goose. Gantimpala. Gantimpala, prize or reward. Garahe. Garahe, meaning garage. Garantya. Garantya, guarantee. Gasa. Gasa, gauze. Gasolina. Gasolina, gasoline. Gastos. Gastos, expense. Gatas. Gatas, meaning milk. Gala. Gala, someone who loves to wander. Gawa. Gawa, make. Gawa-gawa. Gawa-gawa, fiction. Gawain. Gawain, activity. Gayuma. Gayuma, meaning potion. Gayunman. Gayunman, however. Gumagana. Gumagana, functioning. Halaga. Halaga, value or price. Hangganan. Hangganan, border or boundary. Hating gabi. Hating gabi, meaning midnight. Ibigay. Ibigay, to give. Ikarga. Ikarga, to load. Ilagan. Ilagan, avoid. Ilagay. Ilagay, to put. Illegal. Illegal, meaning illegal. Inagaw. Inagaw, taken by force. Ipagbigay alam. Ipagbigay alam, to report or inform. Ipagpalagay. Ipagpalagay, suppose. Isagawa. Isagawa, to perform or carry out. Kaagaw. Kaagaw, meaning rival or competitor. Kagalakan. Kagalakan, joy. Kagalang-galang. Kagalang-galang, honorable. Kagamitan. Kagamitan, equipment. Kagandahan. Kagandahan, beauty. Kahalagahan. Kahalagahan, meaning importance. Kahulugan. Kahulugan, meaning kaibigan. Kaibigan, friend. Kalagayan. Kalagayan, condition or situation. Kaligayahan. Kaligayahan, happiness. Kalusugan. Kalusugan, meaning health. Kapatagan. Kapatagan, plains. Karagatan. Karagatan, ocean. Karagdagan. Karagdagan, addition. Kasaganaan. Kasaganaan, abundance. Kasipagan. Kasipagan, meaning diligence. Katanyagan. Katanyagan, fame. Lalawigan. Lalawigan, province. Ligaw. Ligaw, wild or stray. Litsugas. Litsugas, lettuce. Lugar. Lugar, meaning place. Lugaw, lugaw. Porridge. Luwagan, luwagan. To loosen up. Maaga, maaga. Early. Mabagal, mabagal. Slow. Mabigat, mabigat, meaning heavy. Magaan, magaan. Light. Magalang, magalang. Polite. Magaling, magaling. Excellent. Maganda, maganda. Beautiful. Magaspang, magaspang, meaning rough. Magpanggap, magpanggap. To pretend. Mahalaga, mahalaga. Important. Mahiwaga, mahiwaga. Mysterious. Maligaya, maligaya. Happy. Maliwanagan, maliwanagan, meaning to be enlightened. Manggagamot, manggagamot. Doctor. Manggagawa, manggagawa. Worker. Manliligaw, manliligaw. A suitor. Manligaw, manligaw. To woo or to court. Mapagbigay, mapagbigay. Considerate. Matigas, matigas, meaning hard. Matyaga, matyaga. Patient. Nakagapos, nakagapos. Tied or bound. Negatibo, negatibo. Negative. Organisasyon, organisasyon. Organization. Pag-aalaga, pag-aalaga, meaning care or nursing. Pag-uugali, pag-uugali. Character. Pagamutan, pagamutan. Hospital. Pagawaan, pagawaan. Factory. Paggalang, paggalang. Respect. Pagsusugal, pagsusugal, meaning gambling. Pagtanggap, pagtanggap. Acceptance. Pahayagan, pahayagan. Newspaper. Pakinggan, pakinggan. To listen to something or to someone. Palanggana, palanggana. Basin. Pamagat, pamagat, meaning title. Panawagan, panawagan. Appeal or plea. Panggatong, panggatong. Firewood. Pinggan, pinggan. Plate. Pugad, pugad. Nest. Pulgada, pulgada, meaning inch. Regalo, regalo. Gift. Saligang batas, saligang batas. Constitution. Our next word has two different meanings and different pronunciations. The first one is siga, siga, meaning blaze or bonfire, And the next one is siga. Siga, meaning a tough guy. Sigarilyo. Sigarilyo. Cigarette. Sigaw. Sigaw, meaning scream. Sugat. Sugat, wound. Tagaluto. Tagaluto, cook or chef. Tagapag-alaga. Tagapag-alaga, caregiver. Taglagas. Taglagas, fall or autumn. Talaga. Talaga, meaning really. Tanggapin. Tanggapin, to accept. Tawagan. Tawagan, to call someone up. Tugatog. Tugatog, pinnacle. Ugali. Ugali, character or attitude. Ugat. Ugat, meaning root or vein. Umaga. Umaga, morning. Huelga. Huelga, protest. Tagal. Tagal, duration. Pulgas. Pulgas, fleece. That's all for now. Please subscribe to my channel for more Tagalog language lessons. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you again very soon. Maraming salamat po!